So this is the dinghy that goes with our boat. There's our boat way out there, that anchor. I wanted something that was cheap to build, very lightweight, and quickly you can build a new one if something happens to this one. I keep it on shore here, and people could steal it, wreck it, whatever. In fact, I found beer cans in it a couple days ago. It's made of a single sheet of Coraplast. Well, there's a little bit extra on the back there I just happen to have, and there's a little piece of plywood in the bottom for kneeling on. I don't use a paddle to move it because paddles again can be stolen pretty easily and they're expensive. Plus, by just simply using 2 cutting boards from the dollar store, which I just slip my fingers through the holes at the top, it allows me to paddle on both sides at the same time, keeping it stable. Now, admittedly, I made it just for one person to go on, but me and my girlfriend sometimes both go on it, and when we do, it's a little rocky. You don't want to be doing it in any kind of big waves. It is fairly inexpensive after all, but it's quickly replaceable, and it stores right under the bench, so you never even know you have it on board when it's on board. And I guess that's about it. Pretty simple.